Data shows that only 10% of people finish online courses. Course creators try to persuade us that the long time needed to complete them is worth the high cost. The truth is that a great majority of them are stuck with unnecessary content, and in the end, you do not have a feeling of boosting your practical knowledge. Been there, done that. So today I will talk about the top 5 online courses that are worth your time and money and actually give you solid technical knowledge, which will greatly increase your chances of getting hired as a project manager. And this channel is all about that. I help people get their dream job as an IT project manager. Okay, let's start with the first one, Google IT Support Professional Certificate. This course is perfect for absolute beginners. It covers the basics of IT, including networking, troubleshooting, and security. By the end, you'll have a strong foundation to understand the technical side of IT projects and communicate effectively with your team. Plus, it's offered on Coursera, so you can learn at your own pace. You don't need any prior experience to start this course. It's a great stepping stone to understanding IT infrastructure, which is essential for managing tech-heavy projects. By the way, links to our courses are in the description. Next, we've got the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner. If you're stepping into projects involving cloud technology, and let's be real, most IT projects are these days, this is the certification to get. You'll learn the basics of cloud computing, including storage, networking, and security. This course is designed for beginners, so no tech background is required. Plus, earning this certification adds a shiny credential to your resume. Coming in at number 3 is Introduction to DevOps and CI/CD, available on DataCamp. If you want to understand how modern software teams work and deliver projects faster, this is a must-learn. This course explains how DevOps integrates development and operations teams and introduces tools like Jenkins and Docker. As a project manager, knowing these concepts will help you collaborate seamlessly with technical teams. Programming basics for managers, Python or SQL. Now, let's talk programming. Don't worry, you don't have to become a coding expert, but understanding the basics of Python or SQL will go a long way. Python is great for automating tasks, while SQL helps you work with databases, both critical skills in IT projects. I recommend 100 Days of Code on Udemy and SQL Fundamentals on DataCamp. Please find the link in the description. Last but definitely not least, we have Introduction to Cybersecurity Fundamentals on Coursera. In today's digital world, cybersecurity is a top concern for every IT project. This course teaches you the basics of protecting systems and managing security risks. With this knowledge, you'll be better equipped to identify potential vulnerabilities in your projects. And there we are. 5 beginner-friendly courses to kickstart your IT project management career and boost your tech skills. Once your tech skills are boosted and your resume is done, you are ready for a job interview. Preparing for those interviews is an important step and will increase your chances of getting a job. I created a video about the interview questions. It might be helpful. Link in the corner and in the description. Have a great day.